All right, guys. Welcome to our brunch kit. Oh, that's a heavier box than I thought it was going to be. Let's dissect this thing a little bit. So we got some huevos, a dozen eggs here. With those huevos come these skewers. These are for your Bloody Mary skewers here, guys. Put those aside, make sure you don't lose those. While we're at it, your skewer garnish, Bloody Mary mix. What else we got in here? Holy moly, giant biscuits.
Gigando biscado.
Little fruit trifle here.
Yeah, this yuzu yogurt goes with that fruit. This is gonna be your whole kit for Eggs Benedict, James. A little bit of ham, there's butter in there, hollandaise base, and then the English muffins as well.
Crumpets.
And then this is for your butterscotch pancakes. A big bucket of gravy, because this gravy is a maple sausage gravy going on top of those biscuits. I ate this earlier today.
It's a lot of biscuits.
Delicious.
Need a lot of gravy. All right, let's get this gravy going. You got a pot for gravy over there, Bob? We're gonna take these biscuits, chuck those in the oven, bang, bang. Same thing with our muffins here. So just so you guys know, when you start this out, we were prepared and meased out. For your poached eggs, for your hollandaise sauce, you're gonna want a pot of water, seasoned, with a little bit of distilled vinegar, any kind of vinegar in it. Probably about 2 tablespoons per quart of liquid. And I put this lid on here. This is actually what we call bain-marie. We're gonna use the steam from the boiling water to make our hollandaise sauce. And that'll also help keep our water at temperature. So you got 8 slices of ham in here. 4 handmade crumpets. We're also going to take our butter here, and we're going to melt that down for our hollandaise sauce. Whoa. Nice and easy. I'm going to go ahead and cut these muffins in half. If you got a toaster oven at home, you can throw these in the toaster oven, just a standard oven. I'm going to actually just go ahead and throw a slice of ham on each one of these. Let that ham heat up at the same time. While that's all working, we can make a quick salad. Fruit salad. We got watermelon, cantaloupe, pineapple, strawberries, and blueberries. And this is our yuzu and vanilla yogurt. We're just going to go ahead and drizzle that in here. See all those vanilla beans on the bottom there? I also added a little bit of cardamom to this. It's one of my favorites. Give that a little stir. We'll drop that right in here, I guess. For your poaching liquid for your eggs, we want to be between about 180 and 195 degrees. You know you're going to be at about that temperature when you get a bunch of tiny little bubbles that start to form on the bottom of the pan. And you can kind of see there's a few starting to happen there. So we're just going to let that hang out for a minute. And in the meantime, we can take this is our hollandaise base, a little base we made for you guys so you don't have to go through the whole process of actually making hollandaise. This is a cooked egg product with truffles, egg yolk. So we're using this bain-marie just for a gentle heat, just to get this a little runny. If this gets too hot in a normal setting, the eggs will curdle. So we just want a little bit of heat to get this where we want it to be. And our butter's almost there. You see that steam? That's just the right amount of steam that we want just to gently heat the bottom of that bowl. And Bob's just going to start slowly drizzling this butter in.
The easy way of making hollandaise.
This is the easiest. super stable products.
I remember as a cook at Binkley's, I would slowly cook these yolks for about 20 minutes.
So this is a warm emulsification. Looks like we're there. And we do want to keep this just at a little bit above room temperature until we're ready to use it. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and slam these eggs in this water here, guys. So what I like to do is get the water moving. Crack those eggs in. I wouldn't do more than 4. What that vinegar does is it helps coagulate that egg white. So as it drops, swirls, it kind of encapsulates around the yolk. And these are going to cook, you know, if you're at your 180, 190 mark, it's probably about a 3-minute egg.
Yeah. Have you ever seen it in the ladle?
The ladle egg.
Yeah, so you drop your ladle so it's submerged, and then you drop your egg yolk or your whole egg in that. You just kind of loosen it up around that ladle, let the outside set, and you let it loose.
I haven't seen that.
Saw it on YouTube. No big deal.
So if the hollandaise gets too chilled, it'll essentially just turn back into butter.
Truffle. Oh yeah.
Gotta
Look at
find
that.
it. All right.
Ooh, that's fragile. Here, let me break
Pull those
out
things
these.
out.
Let me break out these muffins, James.
That one perfectly separated somehow.
Those are nice and toasty. Hey,
Yeah.
biscuits are nice and hot. So is our gravy. Nice and bubbly here. Oh my goodness. What a gut buster for early in the morning. You know what? Half or?
Sure.
Let's go like that.
Love it.
I'm just gonna cut it this way. You can cut it however you want. Stack them up a little bit. That way everyone gets a little bit. This gravy is so good, James.
Delish. That one worked out for us.
Yeah, we had this last night. The sausage has that nice sweetness to it, which I love maple sausage. The gravy is nice and peppery as well. You just dump it all over, it don't matter. Do it how you want. That's gonna be good, especially that Bloody Mary. As a matter of fact, should we just make this Bloody Mary?
We probably should.
So we need something to drink right now.
We got some skewers here for you too. A little pickled mushroom, a little cocktail olive, some cheese, little pickles. I gotta grab these eggs here in a second.
A little bit of ice in there. Vodka is however much you want. We'll just, we'll get a good start on this, James.
There's one. Oh boy.
Some poachers. Ooh, that one looks nice. Oh yeah. You can put as much vodka or as little vodka you want in there, but James and I would like a little special treat this afternoon. We gave you enough for 4 skewers here. Boom. Couple of bloodies. Beautiful.
Truffles.
Last thing, gonna make some pancakes for you. So you're gonna need one of these eggs from this carton of eggs we gave you. Drop it in there. Now we didn't give you 2 ounces of butter, but you're gonna need 2 ounces of butter and about 2 cups of milk. I'm gonna have my 2 cups of milk right here. I'm not gonna drop it all in, maybe about 2/3 full, because we're gonna gauge the consistency of the batter with the last portion of liquid. Then you have your mix. Butterscotch pancakes. Where did we get the idea for this butterscotch pancakes? Butterscotch pancakes.
It's from my kid loves butterscotch pancakes.
Calder loves
Calder.
butterscotch pancakes.
And I think she kind of forgot about them though.
Oh,
we went
yeah?
up to Ely this winter on like the coldest weekend that ever existed in life. And we made some sourdough butterscotch pancakes for the kids, and they were delish. And ever since then, can't stop making these butterscotch pancakes.
Oh,
'cause
yeah.
they are wonderful.
All right, do you like big pancakes or do you like small pancakes?
I like big pancakes.
All right, so we're gonna just make the biggest one possible here.
Here, give me one here too.
We're gonna see who's got the best flip here.
Pancake party.
Drop that stuff right
Let's
in.
got the fluff.
Probably should have made my pan a little bit hotter, but it's gonna be okay. Looks like I'm sizzling already.
So what I like to look for with these pancakes, you see the outside, it'll start to set first, and then we'll start to get these little air pockets that are gonna shoot up. Once we get that mostly there and we're set, we get a bunch of air pockets, then we know we're ready to flip. Ooh, Bob's sizzling.
I may have added just a touch too much oil. I'm just gonna soak some of that up. I don't want that splattering on me. I don't need that. Make sure it's all loose.
Hard flip there.
Back in. No big deal. Just been doing it my whole life. I'm gonna turn it down just a hair.
Flip assist.
Oh yeah. No big deal.
Flip master. Flapjack.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Oh,
My pancake is finito. There you go.
that was nice and creamy on the inside.
Great breakfast for a great day.
Looks like a nap to me.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mom's Day.